Welcome to the Global Yard. Today, we're diving into Nigeria, a country brimming with rich culture, diverse landscapes, and a vibrant history. Known as the Giant of Africa, Nigeria is home to over 200 million people and a variety of ethnic groups and traditions. From the fast-paced life of Lagos to the cultural depth of Kano, Nigeria offers travelers an extraordinary range of experiences. Join us as we explore the top 5 cities you must visit in Nigeria, each promising a unique adventure filled with unforgettable sights, flavors, and memories. We start our journey in Lagos, the largest city in Nigeria and its bustling economic hub. Lagos is a fast-paced, energetic city with a never-ending rhythm that makes it an exciting destination for any traveler. One of the city's main attractions is the Lekki Conservation Center, a tranquil escape from the chaos of the city. Here, visitors can explore the longest canopy walkway in Africa, enjoy nature, and observe local wildlife. For beach lovers, Tarkwa Bay Beach is the perfect spot for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Located on an island, this beach is popular with locals and tourists alike and offers a more laid-back side of Lagos. Victoria Island is another must-visit, known for its luxury lifestyle, high-end restaurants, and lively atmosphere. No visit to Lagos is complete without experiencing its incredible art scene. The Nike Art Gallery, one of the largest galleries in West Africa, is a treasure trove of traditional and contemporary Nigerian art. The gallery not only showcases stunning pieces, but also gives visitors a deeper understanding of Nigerian culture. Lagos is a foodie's paradise. Be sure to indulge in local dishes like jollof rice, a spicy tomato-based rice dish, and suya, a popular street food consisting of grilled spiced meat. Whether dining at a high-end restaurant or grabbing something from a roadside vendor, Lagos is sure to delight your taste buds. The best time to visit Lagos is during the dry season, from November to February. This is when the weather is most pleasant, making it ideal for outdoor activities and exploring the city's vibrant neighborhoods. Next, we head to Abuja, Nigeria's capital and a city known for its serene environment and well-organized layout. While Lagos represents the hustle and bustle of urban life, Abuja is a peaceful escape with beautiful landmarks and natural attractions. One of the city's most iconic sites is Aso Rock, a massive rock formation that dominates Abuja's skyline. Visitors can hike around its base or simply admire its beauty from afar. Another must-visit in Abuja is the Abuja National Mosque, an architectural marvel that stands as a symbol of the city's religious diversity. Close by is the National Christian Center, showcasing the country's cultural harmony and rich heritage. Abuja's food scene is equally impressive. Local dishes like fufu, a starchy side served with soup, and pepper soup, a spicy broth made with fish or meat, are staples of Nigerian cuisine. In addition to traditional Nigerian dishes, Abuja offers a variety of international cuisine, reflecting the city's cosmopolitan nature. The best time to visit Abuja is during the dry season, from November to February, when the weather is cool and perfect for sightseeing. Our next stop is Calabar, a city known for its deep cultural heritage and as the gateway to the Cross River region. Calabar is most famous for its annual Carnival Calabar, the largest street carnival in Africa, featuring vibrant parades, colorful costumes, and infectious music. If you plan to visit in December, the carnival is an experience you won't want to miss. For those interested in Nigeria's history, a visit to the Slave History Museum in Calabar offers a somber yet insightful look into the country's role in the transatlantic slave trade. The museum provides visitors with a detailed understanding of the past while also reflecting on Nigeria's progress. Nature lovers will find Calabar equally appealing, with attractions like Kwa Falls and Agbokim waterfalls offering breathtaking views and the chance to enjoy Nigeria's natural beauty. When it comes to food, Calabar is home to Efik cuisine, one of the most well-known culinary traditions in Nigeria. Be sure to try edikang ikong and afang soup, both flavorful dishes made with leafy greens and seafood or meat. The best time to visit Calabar is during the dry season, from November to February, and December is particularly special due to the city's world-renowned carnival. Next, we visit Kano, one of the oldest cities in West Africa and a significant cultural and trade center in northern Nigeria. Kano's rich history is evident in its ancient architecture, bustling markets, and cultural landmarks. A visit to the Kano city walls, which date back hundreds of years, offers a glimpse into the city's past, while a hike up Dala Hill provides stunning panoramic views of the surrounding area. Kano is also home to Kurmi Market, one of the largest and oldest markets in West Africa, where you can find everything from textiles to traditional leather goods. For a deeper dive into Hausa culture, visit the Gidan Makama Museum and Emir's Palace, both iconic examples of traditional Hausa architecture. Kano's cuisine is a reflection of its northern heritage, with dishes like tuwo shinkafa, mashed rice, and mian kuka, a soup made from baobab leaves, being local favorites. The street food, including kilishi, spiced dried meat, is a must-try for visitors. The best time to visit Kano is during the cool season, from November to February, when the weather is pleasant for exploring the city's cultural landmarks. Our final stop is Abadan, a historic city that offers a deep dive into Nigeria's educational and cultural past. Home to Nigeria's first university, the University of Abadan, the city is a hub of intellectual and cultural activity. One of Abadan's key attractions is the Cocoa House, West Africa's first skyscraper, offering great views of the city and a connection to Nigeria's colonial history. Abadan is also home to Mapo Hall, a colonial-era structure that serves as a reminder of the city's history. The city's thriving markets, like Dugby Market, are perfect for those looking to experience the local culture and purchase traditional crafts. When it comes to food, Abadan offers an array of traditional dishes like amala and ewedu soup and ofada rice. The street food scene in Abadan is vibrant, with locals enjoying snacks like roasted corn and akara, fried bean cakes. The best time to visit Ibadan is from November to February, when the weather is perfect for exploring the city's historical sites and bustling markets. Nigeria offers a wealth of experiences, from the vibrant energy of Lagos to the historical depth of Kano and the cultural richness of Calabar. As with any destination, it's essential to stay vigilant and take general safety precautions while exploring this beautiful country. Have you visited any of these Nigerian cities, or are you planning a trip soon? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to The Global Yard, hit the notification bell, and check out our website for more travel inspiration. As the Nigerian saying goes, no place like home. But Nigeria sure feels like it. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.